Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new Amazon Prime unboxing. This says this packaging is lighter than our smallest box and save this resealable bag for returns. So that's the first time I've got this kind of box, like our bag. Oh no, it's not. I've got this before. It never works for me. It's got this little tab that you're supposed to pull, but I find it never really works. So let's give it a shot. I guess it worked better than most of them. So I don't know how it's supposed to reseal, but hopefully this won't need a return. So I'm glad that they put this in a protective bag instead of just shipping the box. Sometimes they just ship the box and then you can see what's happening. I don't like that. I know plastic is no good. It looks like this box is open a little bit. So it's not the most secure way of sending it. It looks like the box got damaged a bit. But at least people couldn't see what it was. So you can see it says Meeden right away. And it kind of is giving it away on the box what it is. See guys, I'm super excited. This is a new tabletop Sketchbox Easel by Meeden. And here it says Meeden is for art, and it says the Meeden Art Supply Company. And yeah. So I'm very excited about this. This is, I have a thing for, I don't know what it is. I don't know why. I'm addicted to easels, and I don't know why. And I think it's because I keep buying them, and they're not exactly right for what I want. So let's see if this one will do the trick. So as you can see, it has been packaged with some bubble wrap right inside the box, and there's this nice little handle on these little brass colored hinges, which is really nice. And this is like a faux leather. So I don't know which side is up, so let's pull it out. I think those are the feet, so that must be the bottom. I'm very excited about this, you guys. Super excited. Bubble wrap. Hang on. Hours of entertainment right here. When I was a little girl, my mother and I used to fight over who gets to pop the bubble wrap. And even now, if I give her a gift with bubble wrap, she enjoys the bubble wrap more than the gift. So I will save the rest of those bubbles for my mom to pop. That's nice bubble wrap. She loves bubble wrap. Anyway, here is my latest easel. So, you guys, I've had this in my wish list for a long time. And it looks really different in person than it does online. In the picture online, this piece here looks so much shorter than what it is. In real life, it looks much bigger. Maybe not on the camera. On the camera, it kind of looks the way it does online in the picture. But in real life, this seems much higher than I was expecting it to be, which is really good. So anyway, it's got this little hinge here, and that will make it the easel. So let's open this up. And on this end, and the wood is really pretty. Look how pretty that wood is. You know what is hard for me is I don't want to get paint on it. And the whole thing is to get paint on it. But I hate getting paint on the wood. So, yeah. So it's got this little lock on this side. And it opens up. It smells good. It smells like fresh, clean wood. And then you can see in here, it's got like the thinner piece of wood backing. There's another company that makes one that is just like this. There's no piece of wood on the outside, so it's open. And I think that's more for acrylics and oil painting. But anyway, it's really simple. As you can see, you can set it up so it's at this angle, or this angle, or this angle, or most likely this angle. And I might even get my dad to put another notch in so it goes like a really low angle, just like this, where it's just a little bit up for watercolor. So I might ask my dad to just put a little line right in here, or I can even try to do it myself. Or instead of putting a line, I can even just put a piece of tape or something here thick enough that it will hold it in place. I've got, oh, you guys, hang on. I just hit the camera with my forehead. Anyway, so there's that. So let's just set it up again. So this is nice, and I have some that are like this. I have one that's very similar to this, and it's got an open box at the back for storing things, but it's a pain in the neck because the stuff is at the back, and you want the stuff to be at the front. So the reason I got this one, can you see these little latches right here? I'm going to open that one and open the one on this side. So this is the whole reason why I got this one. It's because it has a little secret drawer right in here. So let me, I'm getting everything caught. Hang on a second, you guys. So the drawer comes right out if you want it to. And inside the drawer is a little easel wrapped in plastic. I'm just going to leave the plastic on it for now, but it's a wooden, not an easel. What are these called? This is what you would put the paint on. You can tell I'm not an artist. I'm a newbie. But you know what? I thought this would be nice just to keep it on top of here, and you could put your paint box on here. So, and then it has a drawer. And I got this one because I saw these lines. This is the Meeden company, and there's another company called Viswin that had the exact same thing, but the drawer didn't have these little grooves in them. So I was hoping that these weren't glued down and that I could just pop them out if I wanted to make a big open drawer, but I can't. They're glued in. But that's okay. So anyway, I'm just going to put this drawer back in. All right, so I have a pillow on my lap now, you guys. And I also have a lap desk if I needed to use it. But I don't think I need the lap desk and this because this is pretty, it's heavy duty. It's wood. It's not that heavy, but it's like strong. So I'm just opening the drawer. I know you can't see that. Let me move you out. So what I thought was I could put this in my lap. And I can keep some brushes in here. I can even put this down. I can put a sketchbook here or some paper. And I can do some working right just here if I want to. Because I like working on my lap, and this is something I could take outside. I can have everything in the drawer that I need. And let me just see. I've got this paint set. Let me just reach to the side. I've got this paint set that I ordered from Amazon and we opened on the channel the other day. This is my Graby set of 50 watercolors. And there's also like a set of watercolor brushes in here. So let me just quickly grab them out. So here's the set of brushes right here. I mean, not the brushes. This is the actual paint set. Will it fit in the slot? No. But it should fit in the back slot. And it fits there perfectly, you guys. So that is awesome. So then I have this set of brushes. And it can just stay right in here. You could put your pens. I could put the brushes right in here if I wanted to. I could keep them in the box or just take out one or two. And I have my little black pens and my white gel pen and a sketching pencil. And then I could put a little ruler in here. I could put a little set of tape in here for taping the edges of my paper. So basically this would hold everything I need. Except for the watercolor paper, unless I just glued a sheet onto here or a few sheets. So yeah, I thought this would be really nice. I could take it outside and work in the yard. And because the drawers, they have clasps, they go right in, it would work. And the other thing I thought would be cool, let me see if I can get this out. And let's open this up. So I just want to quickly get rid of all this stuff so you could see this. I could set this down and work on it just like this. So I don't have any paper nearby, but pretend this is like a big pad of paper or a sketchbook. I could put that there. I can keep my paint right in front and work right here. I just thought this was going to be really nice. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of it. I just thought, I don't know why I am addicted to buying easels, but I am. Are you like that? I just don't know. I don't need another easel, but this was one of the ones that I really wanted, and I didn't get. I got a different one instead of this one, and then I regretted getting the other one instead of this one. I got the box one. And the reason I got the box one, and it's a beautiful easel, I'll do a comparison of my easels after I get more use with this one. But the reason I got the box one is because I got it at Michael's and I had a 50% off coupon. So I got it for really, really cheap. But, like, you could just open it part way. And I even have a smaller watercolor set that's tiny, tiny that would fit right here. If I only opened the drawer like a little bit, and I could still set it right here and work really closely. And this would also be really nice to use with my watercolor pencils. For watercolor, I wouldn't want it upright this much. I would want it lower. So, but you can even work on this totally flat if you want. And the other thing you could do is just put something in behind to just keep it up a little bit. So I just have my little medicine. This is my Ventolin for my asthma. And you could just pop that underneath for watercolor and then just have a very gentle incline. Or you could just even make it smaller and put like a little eraser back there. So just that you have a little gentle incline instead of like a big incline. And I thought this would be perfect. I love it. It's just the right size. I don't like working big. I very rarely, I don't think I've ever worked anything bigger than this. I think that is the biggest painting I've ever done. Now, I don't know that I would use this for acrylics. I think I would just I would keep using what I have for my acrylics, because acrylics are really staining. But watercolor comes right off. It's easy to clean. I would probably put a little piece of, like a little strip of towel or a little strip of sponge at the bottom, just so that if when the water spills, it catches onto this instead of going right into the tray, you know? But if you don't have this up high, the water's not going to drip that much. So if I were to just put like an eraser or anything back here, it wouldn't really run down. So I just thought this was really cool. I really like it. I think it's just really nice. So I could use it for so many different things, but I will mainly be using this for watercolor, pencil crayons, and watercolor pencils. That's what this one will be for. I have another bigger easel for acrylics, and I do want to try bigger acrylic paintings. But lately, I've just been doing watercolor and watercolor pencil. And this would also be good just for sketching. I still need to learn how to sketch better. Yeah. So there's that. I think this is really cool. And what I really like is this drawer. But maybe I can't close the drawer with this in it. I can. It was just stuck on something. So yeah, I just really think this is awesome. I probably won't use this because I don't plan to use this. I think this is for oil painting more than anything else. But look how convenient this is. And then it's all set up and you have your little handle to take it out. Things are rolling around in there a little bit, so I might have to put some sponges. But I like it. I like this a lot, you guys. What do you think? Anyway, that is it for my Meeden, other than telling you how much I paid. So I got this on Amazon.ca, and it was $39.95. So $39.95. I didn't get it on sale. I paid the regular price because I've never seen this go on sale, and it's been in my cart for over a year. So, not my cart, but it's been in my wish list for over a year. They had another one that was $59 and had 3 drawers. But I thought that would be too heavy for what I wanted. The 3-drawer one would just be nice to keep on a table. I almost got that, and I'm not going to promise that I won't go back and get that other one day. But I really like this. This feels really nice, you guys. The wood is nice and smooth. There's no edges on it that are like rough or anything. There's little feet. There's little rubberized feet with the metal screw inside. Yeah, this is very nice. I like this a lot. So I will practice with it and let you know what I think. And I'm super excited about it. I think it's really, really nice. So let me know what you guys think. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. And in the comments, let me know if you do art and if you've tried this table sketchbook by Meeden or something similar with a drawer, and whether you like it or not. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay safe. Bye, guys.